How to enable adaptive battery on Android. This tutorial shows you how to turn it on so your device can manage power more efficiently based on your usage. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, scroll down and tap Battery. After that, tap Background Usage Limits. At this point, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Adaptive Battery. From here, you'll see a toggle for the feature. Tap it to turn the switch on and enable adaptive battery right away. Following this, once it's active, your device starts analyzing how often you actually use each app on your phone. After that, apps you rarely open get their background activity limited automatically, which helps stretch your battery further throughout the day. From here, apps you use constantly, like messaging or social apps, won't be affected the same way, so you won't lose any important notifications from the ones that matter most. Keep in mind that it can take a few days of normal usage before you notice a real difference, since the system needs time to learn your habits before adjusting anything. That's how you enable adaptive battery on Android. If this was helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then!